Good morning, girls. How are you today? Are you fine? Okay. Are you excited to start my own lesson for today, girls? That's good. Okay. Before starting my own lesson for today, girls, let me ask you about the day and the date. Today is what, girls? So today is what? Today is Tuesday, Tuesday. Again, Tuesday. And the date is 5 to 14 42 after Hijrah. Again, today is Tuesday, Tuesday. And the date is 5 to 14 42 after Hijrah. Today, inshallah, we are going to start a new unit, girls, which is Unit 2, Lesson 1. I want you now to play this game. Play this game, please, and tell me what's the secret word. What's the secret word, girls? We have here a monkey, a yoo-yoo plus ball, orange, dog, and a yoo-yoo also. Then we have equal. What's the secret word here, girls? What is the secret word? The first letter in a monkey is what? M. Then the first letter in UU is Y. Then plus we have a ball. Now the secret word of our lesson today is my body. The secret word is my body. Okay, girls? We will learn in this unit the parts of the body. Okay, girls? Now books, please, page number 12 and 13. Open your books, page number 12 and 13, and write the day with the date. Write the day with the date, please, girls, on page number 12 and 30, 12 and 13. Write the day with the date, please, girls. Then close your books and open your notebook. Open your notebook and copy this sentence in your notebook. Raise your hands. Copy this sentence in your notebook. Raise your hands in the handwriting section, girls. Please copy the sentence in the handwriting section in your notebook. Raise your hands. And please, girls, don't forget to write the day with the date. Now, let's start. What can you see in this picture, girls? What can you see in this picture? I can see a body of a boy, right? I can see a body, or I can see a body of a boy, right? Now, I want you to define an imperative sentence. What do I mean by an imperative sentence, girls? Is a sentence that gives a command, that gives commands or a request to do something. Is it is a sentence that is used to give a command or a request to do something. Again, define an imperative sentence. It's a sentence that gives a command or a request to do something. Okay? Now, for example, open your book, close the door, open the door, do your homework, help your mother. So all these are imperative sentences. Again, it's a sentence that gives commands or a request to do something. For example, open the door, close the door, do your homework, help your mother, stay quiet, um, go to the supermarket. All these are imperative sentences. Okay, girls? Now here we have two types of an imperative sentence. We have two types of imperative sentences. We have two types of imperative sentences. We have an affirmative imperative sentence and a negative imperative sentence. Again, we have two types of imperative sentences. An affirmative imperative sentence and a negative imperative sentence. An affirmative imperative sentence is a sentence without not. A negative imperative sentence is a sentence with not. Okay, girls? For example, an example for an affirmative imperative sentence, open the door. A negative imperative sentence, don't open the door. Okay, girls? Now I want you to make an affirmative imperative sentence, girls. Here, close the window, please. Close the window, please. 2. Help your mother. Help your mother. Make a negative imperative sentence here. Don't play football in the street. Don't play football in the street. Make a negative imperative sentence here. Don't smoke. Don't smoke. Okay, girls? Now, let's go together, girls, to a garden and learn the bodies part. Let's enter the garden now and see what's the first word in our lesson today. What's the first word in our lesson today, girls? What's this? It's an I. Again, it's an I. Let's spell the word together. E-Y-E. Again, E-Y-E. E-Y-E. This is the first word in our lesson today. Okay, how many eyes do you have, girls? How many eyes do you have? I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. Now, let's read. I have 2 eyes in my face. I have 2 eyes in my face. Now I have 2 eyes in my face. Let's see the second word of our lesson today. What's this? It's a hand. It's a hand. H-A-N-D. H-A-N-D. Okay, girls, how many hands do you have? How many hands do you have, girls? How many hands do you have? I have 2 hands. I have 2 hands. Okay, how many fingers do you have in your hands? I have 10 fingers in my hands. I have 10 fingers in my hands. Okay, girls, let's see. The third word in our lesson today is what? The third word in our lesson today is nose. Again, the third word in our lesson today is nose. Let's spell the word N-O-S-E. N-O-S-E. Make a sentence using nose. I have 1 nose. I have 1 nose. N-O-S-E. N-O-S-E. Now the fourth word in our lesson today is what, girls? It's what or what's this? It's a mouth. Bravo. What's this? It's a mouth. M-O-U-T-H. M-O-U-T-H. Okay, what do you have inside your mouth? I have my teeth and my tongue. I have my teeth and my tongue, right? So let's spell the word mouth together. M-O-U-T-H. Now قال تعالى لئن شكرتم لأزيدنكم. What did you understand from this ayah, girls? We understood from this ayah that we have to thank my God for everything we have in our lives. For everything we have in our lives, girls, right? So, let's see a new word here, or let's learn a new word. What's this, girls? What's this? It's a shoulder. Again, what's this? It's a shoulder. Let's spell the word together. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Again, let's spell the word shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Again, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. It's a shoulder. Now, what's this, girls? Bravo, it's her. Let's spell the word H-A-I-R. Okay, what's the color of this hair? It's brown. So, the boy has a brown hair. The boy has a brown hair. Let's spell the word hair again. H-A-I-R. H-A-I-R. Now, let's see. What is this, girls? What's this? It's a face. So what's this? It's a face. F-A-C-E. F-A-C-E. So today we learned so many words: my body, face, mouth, hand, head, her. Okay, girls? Now, open your books, please, girls. Open your books. Page number 12. And don't forget to write the day with the date. Don't forget to write the day with the date, girls. And listen. Open your books and listen, please, girls.
Unit 2. My body. Talk time. Exercise 1. Listen, shout, and do. 1. Close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes. Okay. 2. Open your eyes. Okay. Open your eyes. Okay.
Open your eyes. Okay.
3. Raise your hands. Okay. Raise your hands. Okay.
Raise your hands. Okay.
4. Clap your hands. Okay. Clap your hands. Okay.
Clap your hands. Okay.
Okay, class. Practice and do in pairs. We will do this exercise in the online life, girls. Online life, girls.
Fun time.
Now, fun time.
Exercise 3. Do it quickly. Listen and try to keep up. Are you ready? Let's start. Raise your hands. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Clap your hands. Let's do it again.
Okay, girls. Now, I want you to open your activity book, please, girls. Open your activity book. I think page number 71. Open your activity book, page number 71, and listen to goal 9.
Hi. How are you? Are you ready for goal 9? Good. Let's start. I can listen to the teacher and do the body actions. Exercise 1. Listen, practice, and do. Close your eyes. Open your eyes.
Sorry.
Raise your hands. Clap your hands. Raise your hands.
Okay, girls, I want you here to trace the gray words. Trace the gray words, please, girls, and don't forget to write your full name and your class, okay? Now, then, trace and write letter I. Trace and write letter I, girls. Page number 72. Page number 72. Listen and practice.
Are you ready for goal 10? Good. Let's start. I can say, close your eyes, or open your eyes to a partner. Exercise 1. Listen and practice. Do the actions.
Close your eyes. Okay. Open your eyes. Okay. Raise your hands. Okay. Clap your hands. Okay.
Okay, girls, now I want you to trace and write letter J. Please, girls, trace and write letter J. And also don't forget to trace the gray words here. Now, this is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls.